In the name of Allah, who is merciful and most beneficent. Dry process is an important factor in case of denim washing. Garments are achieved more fashionable look by applying different kinds of dry process. Destroy or destruction is one of them. It is one of the most popular de-stitching effect. Destroy is an art which look denim unique look and used. Guys, in this video, I will show you how to make destroy pattern. So let's start and watch the full video.